At the APRICOT 2020, we have RPKI Deployathon and RPKI Deployment 1 and 2. For RPKI Deployathon, we have around 40 attendees, and it is connection with Philip Smith's nice technical hands-on course. APNIC had some kind of collaboration with the making the sessions and inviting people. We collaborated with APIX, with the inviting people from IX in the Asia Pacific region. And we collaborated with APNIC Foundation to invite several countries, includes Myanmar, Bhutan, and Fiji.
I attended a RPKI session at APRICOT 2020 in Melbourne. At this session, I have learned how to sign a ROA, how to use different and new RPKI validator, and then implement route origin validation.
I learned important on ROA signing. And important ROA signing, unless you sign in ROA, your route available on the internet is not valid in the RPKI.
APNIC also involved to make the deployathon and deployment. We put some group works and amusing survey to get the response or feedback from attendees. And I think that kind of communication and collaboration will make the attendees to people like leader for spreading idea of routing security.
So we need to apply essentially the RPKI in our network to protect the route hijacking and any attack. If I go back to Myanmar and I will apply this technical assistance to our network, that MMI is already our design and is implement RPKI. But in another ISP and another IT industry is really neat because it's very secure in future to network and operation. Yes, most of the ISP, I think most of the ISP don't know about this. So I will sharing knowledge and awareness about that. And if they want to apply, if I need, I will participate with them.
I'll go back to my work, then implement RPKI validation at all the border gateways. And I really hope I can reject the invalid prefix at the border. And in the PTIX, it's already implemented in the root server using IXP manager. So my job is to convince the IX member to use root server, or at least they can do RPKI validation at their border gateways.